Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by accessing an app called Files. Then select Browse at the bottom in the middle. After tapping on Got It in Find Storage Tips pop-up. Lastly, select Downloads category. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!